He's getting ready to leave. No. He's coming back.
Like you said, these were too hard looking for you, look.
Yeah, they look hard. Is that marshmallows in there?
Yeah.
Nice.
Look.
Oh, cool.
Here. Honky. Honky. Hey, Lee.
He's on the tree at the big tree next door.
Oh, yeah, I see him. Wonder what? I thought the bird popped up.
He didn't go to the big seed, the big suet.
When we put this one here and the big one over there, he was over there. Then we put the good one over there and he's over here.
Right.
Hey, you did it on taping.